Hi guys, it's Naz. Thanks for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to show you the RovyVon Aurora A4x Titanium. I'm going to do an unboxing, test and review this rechargeable keychain flashlight. I'm also going to compare it to my current flashlight and also my phone light. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if this light is right for you. I've left a link in the description if you want to check it out. Hopefully this review helps you out, so please subscribe to the channel and like and comment on the video. Let me know if you have the RovyVon Aurora or are planning to get one. Now let's get on with it. The light comes in this nice little RovyVon pouch. When you open the pouch, you get the light itself, you get the paperwork, you get the lanyard, micro USB charging cable, a little bit more paperwork, extra keyring, the clip that comes with the light. I won't use the pouch as I'll be carrying the light in my keychain. Pouch is really nice. I think I'll use it for something else. I won't use the clip, but it does look like a nice solid clip. I have seen other videos where they included the extra silicone flap. I don't know if my one just didn't come with it or if I've lost it when I was unboxing the light. The light is made out of titanium and it's built like a tank. It feels like a quality built light and should last a long time. I don't think I'll break it in day-to-day use. At the bottom of the light, there's a loop to attach a keyring to. This is how I'm going to carry the light. I won't use the clip. Near the loop, there's these holes where the tritium valves would go if you bought the version with the tritium valves. There's a silicone flap covering the micro USB port. The light is IPX5 water resistant, so it should perform well in day-to-day use. Also, the bottom of the light is flat, so it's easy to make it stand up. The button to turn on the light is on the side rather than it being at the end. It's easier to turn on the light from the side because I'll be attaching a keyring to the bottom. The light is about 57mm tall and 16mm wide, so it's not very big. If we compare it to a AA flashlight and a AAA flashlight, we can see that it's not very big. It's just slightly bigger than a AA flashlight. Here it is next to my other flashlight. These are all really old lights. The RovyVon Aurora A4x Titanium is more powerful than all of these other lights, even though these lights are bigger. These two are AAA lights and this is a AA light. So to turn on the light, you just press and hold and release to turn off. For continuous light, you just double click and it will turn on the light continuously. And from there, you can cycle through the modes by clicking. And if you want to turn it off, you just press and hold and the light will turn off. The light came with high mode as the default. To change the default setting, you just double click and go into the continuous light mode and then cycle to the setting that you want and then leave it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the light will memorize the setting and then you can turn it off. I'm going to have the light set to medium. Medium is 360 lumens, which will do most day-to-day jobs. Moonlight setting is 2 lumens. The low setting is 20 lumens and the medium setting is 360 lumens. But the highest setting, this light puts out 650 lumens, which is a lot of light. When the light is on high or medium setting, after 100 seconds, the light will automatically go down to 100 lumens. This is to prevent overheating. To get to the strobe light mode, you just need to triple click and then press once to turn it off. The light is very easy to use. The only thing I don't like about the interface is that you have to wait for 3 minutes to have the memory set. Other than that, I think anybody can use this light. It's very simple to use. So why did I choose the RovyVon A4x to be my everyday carry light? Well, let's compare it to my phone light. My phone light is with me all the time, but it will drain the battery of my phone. It does take a long time to turn on the phone light, whereas this is much quicker to turn on and off. So there are other EDC keychain light. These lights are both good, but they use a AAA battery. AAA battery is really small. Even with only using a AAA battery, these lights are much bigger. The AAA battery lights don't put out that much power. I've had these two lights for years. They do perform well, but I've realized it's not enough power for me. I didn't want something that's so big. Lights of this size nowadays, they provide so much power. It's not something that I need to carry that's extra. It will be as a part of my keychain, so I'll be carrying my keychain every day anyway. I don't want to carry a separate bigger light outside. So what don't I like about the RovyVon A4x? I don't like this rubber or silicone flap. It seems really fiddly to take on and off. I know with other unboxings I've seen they provide an extra flap, but with my one it didn't come, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to come with the light. I don't like that they use a micro USB, so it would have been nice to have a USB Type-C in there rather than a micro USB. Also, I don't like the fact that we have to wait 3 minutes to set memory on this light. It would have been much more convenient if the time was much shorter. I think this light is good enough to be one of my favorite flashlights. It ticks all the right boxes. When an EDC item is my favorite, it has to work well, look good, and be used regularly, and also it has to be easy to carry. For comparison, these are some of my other favorite EDC gear. I have the Sacred Mini Wallet, which I've been using over 6 years. The Leatherman Micra, which is probably going around 11 years now. This is the Seiko SKX13. Owned this since 2018. I've been using it 2-3 times a week. I love this watch. I'll do a review on this in the future. And this is my Parker Jota ballpoint pen. My dad purchased this in 1992 and I've been using it for about 2-3 years. I'll do a review on this later on. But as you can see, it takes a lot for something to be made one of my favorite EDC items. You can purchase the RovyVon Aurora A4x Titanium from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review of the RovyVon Aurora A4x Titanium. If you appreciate honest reviews, please don't forget to like and comment, as this helps grow my channel. Also, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.